Now with increased mic sensitivity, we can all hear ourselves on this video. And now we are gonna
shit.
Fuck the chair!
Dude, go get the stool over there. Dude, nice ass. Anyway, we feel really more immature than we did before, so we're gonna play you a few sound clips and see how you think of them. There's a sound clip. Where are you gonna fucking sit? Oh, you getting that? I guess this is gonna be called the Recliner Club. But,
Alright, let's recline.
we're gonna wait till our, other correspondent gets here.
Fucking guitar.
Fucking pickle bitch.
Fuck, why are there nuts on this chair, dude? You got nutshells.
That's probably from his brother.
Yeah, most likely. My fat ass brother. Oh, come
What's
on!
going, Phil?
Yeah?
Phil, I'm gonna kill you.
Come on, grab the damn thing.
Hold on. You can start the video, go ahead.
No, wait for your ass. Actually, your ass is in the shot, but I wait for you to actually...
Oh, no, I got shit.
Oh, you got a
Oh,
shit? I don't want to smell
I was
it.
about to fart.
You straight up fucking brick, I'd be pissed.
He's gonna brick in your mouth.
Oh. Oh my god. You
That
guys are
works
ghetto.
too.
Anyway, this sound clip is called James Brown Stains.
Sounds like your mom taking a shit.
The cheese dog. Goose gas.
Are you prairie dogging?
Number 2 with a bullet.
This is C flat.
C flat.
Yeah, it's a big one, aren't it?
Pull my finger.
Hey, I didn't know Jake Mo could play that high.
The Helmy hiccup. What are you saying?
Oh my god. Uh-oh. Do the uh-oh.
Oh, where is that?
Right down. Right there.
Do a rough cut.
I'm fucking dying!
Oops.
Take the shit in the toilet.
Oh my god.
What did you eat?
Damn Taco Bell. Oh my god. Whoever recorded this, oh my god, dude.
What the fuck?
I'm about to give birth.
What? To a shit?
Holy shit. This one's called the clucking chicken.
How about the the one above it?
The hindeer reindeer.
The fuck?
Fart of the bumblebee. A bug zap. A bean dipper.
Do the BMX legs.
Where is that?
Up. More. To your right. You're all the right.
All the way at the end. Right there. Dude, you gotta do the mudslide.
What the fuck?
see hinge?
Where is it?
Up 4.
How about kazoo?
My eyes are watering from crying and laughing. There it is. Anus madness.
What the fuck? Sounds like 2 gay guys. Oh my god. It's Peter Griffin. My god.
It's like the time I got food poisoning.
What would it sound like if you push all of them at once?
I don't know. Let's figure that out. It overloaded it. Wet and wimpy. You heard the gargle.
The gargle.
More gargle. Hold on, I'm gargling. I think I killed Kyle. Colin Powell. Donut cream filler.
Dude, if I heard that in a restaurant, I'd fucking run. The dude just shat himself.
The air biscuit.
That was gay.
Dueling buttholes.
Puff Daddy
Where?
at the top.
Echo hole. That's like...
Tara, shut your legs.
No wonder Timmy didn't like going down there.
Oh my god. Orchestra pit. Let's see. Squat thrust. Ew. Skid marks. Oh. Oh.
Oh, I check your pants.
Would you like ketchup? Mud. Oh wait, we did mudslide. Packing tape.
Dude, it sounds like a monster come out of your toilet.
Weed eater.
How much time do we have left?
I don't know. Oh, we got like a minute left. So for the grand finale.
Kyle just farted.
Safety.
Oh, fartgasm.
It must be really bad. It's the best shit I ever took.